Guys, Puprime has established itself as a leading online brokerage firm, and here are the reasons why. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Puprime. Link to this will be in the description of the video. As you can see guys, Argentina secures a home victory and they have that $50 profit booster. And I would of course strongly recommend go ahead and check this one out. See for yourself all the things that you need to know about Puprime, and let me also tell you the things that you need to know about them. So guys, Puprime has established itself as a leading global online brokerage, and it is trusted by traders for its advanced technology. And it has that competitive trading conditions as well as that wide range of financial instruments that you will definitely love and help you out with your technical analysis and the profitability of your trades. Now, with that strong presence across international markets, Puprime provides that access to over 2,000 assets, which also includes that Forex, that commodities, that indices, that shares, and cryptocurrency. Now, guys, its advantages include that lightning fast execution speeds, the tight spreads, the robust security measures, and that multilingual customer support that is available to you 24/5. Now, guys, one of Puprime's most popular features is its copy trading service. Now, let me go ahead and show that to you real quick. So here, guys, if you hover your mouse over trading, you will see that PU copy trading right there. Now, once you click on that, it will take you directly here. So this one, guys, empowers clients to follow the top ranked strategies from experienced traders. Now, I would strongly recommend this feature, guys, to the beginners in trading, because this will definitely help you out, guys, in terms of comparing the strategy of that expert copy trader and whatever your technical analysis is. Because again, I always tell you, you gotta go ahead and make sure to do your own research. That way, you would be able to do your technical analysis properly and improve the profitability of your trades. And this will definitely help you out. Now, this month's highlight reveal diverse strategies that are catering to different risk appetite. Now, at the high risk, high reward end, guys, several strategies delivered outstanding short-term gains. For example, one top-ranked trader achieved a monthly return of 120%, though with a drawdown of 35%. Now, appealing to followers who thrive on volatility and aggressive growth opportunities, these strategies tend to attract the bold investors that are aiming for rapid capital expansion despite the higher risk. And just like what we say, high risk, high rewards, right? Okay, so our sponsor for today is helping out scale the privacy of users online. Now, if you're trying to automate your business online, then you would need a proxy. And Proxy for You is the best bet and by far the most reasonably priced out there in the market today. They are the sponsor for today, and you gotta go ahead and check them out. Link to that will be in the description of the video. Let's continue on. But again, you know, if you are not that type of trader, if you are like on the medium side of risk and, you know, medium risk, high reward, or medium reward, or low reward, it depends on you. But this will definitely be very, very helpful for you guys. Now, on the other side of the spectrum, steady growth strategies continue to gain traction, and a leading conservative trader posted a 12% monthly return with that drawdown below 5%. So supported by more than 1,200 active followers, such approaches appeal to investors that are seeking that consistent, low-risk portfolios that grow while minimizing the exposure to sharp market swings. All right, so as you can see here, guys, you have the leaderboards. Okay, you have the top gains, you have the gold millionaire, you have professor. So those are your top traders that you could search in the copy trading inside Puprime. So you have the highest annual returns as well. Look at this one, guys. 166,613.04% return. My gosh. With that win rate of 58%, 58.37%. Wow. So you have the risk as at 1, you have Cambodia at 88.8, Yeah, Rado. You also have that low risk and stable return that I was talking about. Now, by offering transparency through that real-time data on returns, drawdowns, and the follower counts, Puprime's copy trading platform allows the clients to choose the strategies that align with their goals, whether chasing that aggressive profits or basically pursuing that steady, sustainable growth. All right? So, would you go for the thrill or stability? Comment your choice below, guys. Make sure to follow all their social media platforms. It is at the bottom of their page. You see these, right? You can go ahead and click on that one, and it will take you directly to the social platform. Make sure to follow, subscribe to that. That way, when they have updates, announcements, airdrops, giveaways, anything, and basically everything about Puprime, you will always be informed. And of course, if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.